Morning. 10 to 5. I'm gonna get up, have my brekkie, pack all this away, and head up to the Fork and Ridge. Big climb today. It's gonna be a big day. Right, let's get going. So that mountain there on my map is, it won't focus, but Skirnaskeen. As I said yesterday, I need to skirt round this side and then skirt round the other side of it, slowly making my way up to about 500 metres. Then it gets steep. I've got a 200 metre climb in about half a mile. I've got to head for a little tiny lock-in. And then I've got to hug the other mountain, the saddle, which is even bigger. Hug that for a spell, come across. Looks like it's a nice flat track, and then I'm dropping back down. So that's my challenge. 5:40. Let's get going. Right, now it gets serious. So the track continues down to a river, but if you take that route, which a lot of GPX files online will have you doing, you're going to be in a world of pain of swamps and bogs. So the Harvey maps and the Cicerone guidebook suggests you peel off early somewhere here and hug this side of the mountain. It's supposedly a lot easier, so I'm going to put this away, deploy the trekking poles and give it a bash. So I must be heading round there into that gap. So that'll be the big boy, the saddle, 1010 metres I think, and Skirnaskeen, however you pronounce it. Heart is pounding. I'm not used to this. I'm used to going up the bloody easy paths up mountains. Not this bloody heather bashing through swamps. But thank God, weather appears to be on my side. This is real. So I've made it to the 450 metre contour, and now I've got to pretty much hug it around this corner. Cape Wrath Trail, day 4. Come on. Shitting myself secretly. I'm enjoying it. Man, this is really testing me. Still making my way, but every now and then you get a bloody hole. Proper leg breaker. So you've constantly got to be looking where you're putting your feet, having your balance, making sure you're going in the right direction. Every now and then you pick up the faintest of paths, but then it disappears. I've just turned the corner. I have got to go straight up there, crossing that stream at some point. I've got 250 metres left to climb, about half a mile. Whew! Hell yeah! I need to go over to that side, I believe. There's a stone wall, sort of man-made thing. I now cling to the saddle side. I should have a brand new view down that valley. Wow. So it took me 1 hour 47 from the hut to get up here. It's exactly 3 miles. And looking back from where we've come, the saddle, Skirna Geen. It's been a mosh. The journey continues on the Cape Wrath Trail. So I've just got signal up there for the first time since leaving Glenfinnan. Had a bit of signal at Corryhully, Bothy. So that's just nice after a few days just to check in with friends and family. Oh, and guys, thank you very much. I had a notification come through that I have hit 1,000 subs. Don't know how. Feels good, it's much appreciated. I enjoy making these videos. Sort of keeps me preoccupied when I'm out on these walks. Where am I going? Here we are. Yeah, so every now and then I just like to whip out the camera as if I'm talking to a friend. Just a bit of fun. So we've gone squelchy again. Oh. I've found something that resembles a path, so I'm going to follow this. I've got to keep that little stream to my left. Mile and a half's time, little river crossing, and by then I would have dropped right down. I'm at 350 metres here. Plenty of camping opportunity around here, but I need to cross this and drink some water. Thirsty. You pick up a nice path here once you cross that river. Straight to Kintel Lodge, the wee bunkhouse. There's a little cafe there, outdoors cafe. So I should be smashing that and going big. Oh my god, a road, lorries, cars, houses. That's been a long time. Back into civilization I go. How will I cope? Into Shieldbridge we go. River Shield. Yeah, you've got it. 10:43, so just under 5 hours to get here from that stalker's hut, which I'm happy with, really. I'll be more happy when I've used the toilet, got some food down me, and just fully recharged this and my phone. Hello. Decent little snack bar that was. So there's a toilet there on the side. Hotel isn't open till 4, so it was that little cafe, wee bunkhouse cafe, whatever it's called. A cappuccino, coffee, sausage roll, cheese and onion roll, coronation chicken sandwich. Went big. Stopped for about half an hour, got a quick charge on. I'm now just coming up to Kintel Crafts. I'm going to try and get some food. Get an evening meal and a breakfast, so that's what I'm short of to see me through to Kinlochhew. And then I'm going to batter on and get up and down to the Falls of Glomac, which is one of 2 main waterfalls on this route. Kintel Crafts. Man, they sell everything. Lovely couple as well. So out of civilization I go, which is always a worry. Have I got enough to last me? I've got the rest of today and then 2 full days until I get to Kinlochhew. So pretty sure I have. I went through my food rations last night, laid it all out. Path splits here. Turn right for the falls, turn left to avoid it. I've got 400 metre climb ahead of me. Lovely path this. Looks like it leads all the way through that pass. Not far away, maybe 20 minutes. You've got scrambly little bits like this to contend with. Quite steep. It was raining, heavy. I wouldn't want to be doing this way. I'd go the alternative path. So we'll eventually be turning that way. I'm going to try and camp somewhere down here, I think. I'm going to walk on. There is some rain rolling in, but still early. 4 o'clock. Feeling okay. Let's get walking. So I've come to the end of this track. Over there is Iron Lodge behind the tree. So the next point of interest is this, which is a bothy. The trouble is, it's bloody 5 miles away, I think. So the next flat bit I can find with a water source, I'm going to take it. My feet are getting very tired. What a day though. Unbelievable. I've come right up, trying to find somewhere to camp as I'm walking, but every flat spot is just wet and boggy. So I've read the guidebook, Cicerone, and he suggests by a river down here in about a mile there's possible camping opportunities. Struck gold. Found a little oasis. It's not spongy. It's a tiny bit squelchy. Tiny. Solid. Flat. Water source. This is me done. And she's up. Got the rocks out just in case. It's a bloody nightmare if this blows down. That was pretty epic. Massive day, day 4 on the Cape Wrath Trail. I've now got that for tea. I've got to sort these bloody feet out. Looking a bit crinkly. I'll see you in day 5. Thanks for watching. Stick around for all the stats. I think today was about 24 miles. But yeah, enjoy. Thank you. Bye bye.